Suprakash Chakraborty at Park Street in Kolkata. Coming to you first, Shama, how are Mumbaikars celebrating?
Well, Ramesh, when we had shown you the earlier pictures, you would be remembering that Marine Drive was not that filled with people, but now if you see the same visuals of Marine Drive, it's completely filled with people. The visitors are already here because they know that it's just some minutes to 12 and they should be making the most of it. As I was earlier also showing you that the bandobast of the police, the deployment of the police is heavy, and this is one watchtower where the police is keeping a close eye on everything which is happening here on the streets of Marine Drive, because a lot of people, a lot of miscreants are also coming in over here, but everyone has been taken care of. Let's talk to Mumbaikars and ask them, sir, how are you celebrating the New Year?
हिंदी चलेगा बेसिकली हम लोग तुमसर जिला भंडारा से आए हैं न्यू ईयर मनाने के लिए। 2024 जो था बड़ी तेज़ी से निकल गया। सदी के 25 साल बीतने जा रहे हैं, 25वें साल की शुरुआत हो रही है और हम लोग नया साल मनाने के लिए मरीन ड्राइव पे आए हुए हैं। मुंबई एक परिवार है, पटाखों का आज शोर नहीं है लेकिन मुंबई जगमगा रही है। ऐसी तरह भारत भी जगमगाता रहे और आप सब लोगों की जिंदगी जगमगाती रहे। नए साल की शुभकामनाएं आप सब लोगों को।
बहुत अच्छा, very nice, greetings he has given. We have a youngster also with us. How would you be celebrating? What is your idea?
The idea of celebrating New Year this year, as I am seeing on the Marine Drive, many youngsters, especially from my generation, who used to be on the phone all the time, who used to be on reels all the time, and I am seeing everyone coming with their family and celebrating the the occasion of New Year with their family. This is fascinating and this is very happening thing. So celebrating New Year with the family, I think this is a great idea of celebrating New Year on the day.
Okay. A very important point over here, Ramesh, he has raised that, the youth not just the youth, but the entire population we are seeing, they're so much engrossed in reels and social media that this way of celebrating the New Year, celebrating it with the family, is kind of a de-addiction from the social media and a very, very wonderful way to welcome in the year 2025. Over to you.
And before we let you go, Shama, could you like to also quickly ask your guests there about their New Year wishes or resolutions, if any?
Okay, let me ask them. Do you have any New Year resolutions?
I am manifesting this year actually, so I am hoping that the new year will go much better than the 24, but I don't want to वो कहते हैं ना कि राज बताए नहीं जाते, तो संकल्प जो है, रिजोल्यूशन जो है, वो भी एक राज की तरह।
Okay. What is your New Year resolution?
2025 अच्छा निकलना चाहिए सबके लिए, इसके बस।
क्या विश करेंगे आप न्यू ईयर्स के लिए? कैसे विशिंग देंगे?
अच्छा लेके।
हैप्पी न्यू ईयर, हैप्पी न्यू ईयर 24-25 एंड अगला साल सबके लिए अच्छा
रहेगा
और बम्बई कर की यही शुभकामनाएं भारतवासियों के लिए कि ये साल सबके लिए अच्छा होए।
आप क्या विश देंगे और आपके क्या रेजोल्यूशन रहेंगे?
सबसे पहले सबको नया साल काफ़ी मुबारक हो और महिलाओं के जिस तरह से 2025 में महिलाओं की प्रगति पे ध्यान दिया गया, इसी तरह महिलाएं प्रगति करती रहें 2025 में भी। इसी के साथ में सभी को नववर्ष की शुभकामनाएं दें।
Okay. So Ramesh, a lot of unique points are coming out over here, which we speak to our friends, our group every day, but not necessarily when we are speaking on the camera or on the channel. True. That the year 2025 should also be filled with so many opportunities. Absolutely. For women, for youth, and it should be filled with opportunities for the population of India. Indeed. And also for India overall.
And here's wishing all Mumbaikars and you as well, Shama, a very happy New Year in advance as India counts down with barely 15 minutes left for the big occasion. Right, let's take you now down south.